Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the video volume in Capcut. So here I've already imported a video to Capcut mobile. So if you want to just mute it, you can just click on this buttons right here. But if you want to adjust it manually or the volume of the video, here you can just click on the video on the timeline and swipe through the toolbar until you find this volume option. So just tap on that. So in CapCut you can reduce or increase the volume. If you want to make it louder, of course you can just swipe it to the right. But if you want to make the volumes or the sound lower, you can just swipe it to the left, just like this. Click on the check icon when you are done. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.